ازيكم يا جماعة? It has been such a long time. I am back. For how long I don't know, but hopefully for quite a while, because my last video was from 8 months ago. Let's pretend that didn't happen. Sorry about that. For those of you who have said that, for those of you who have subscribed, thank you to everyone who has done so. Today's video, I'm going to be filming a clip from one of my favourite childhood cartoons. I didn't watch the Egyptian version, of course I watched the English version, but there's an Egyptian version online, and I found that some Egyptian people actually know this cartoon, which I'm surprised by, called Fairly Odd Parents. I'm going to put a picture right ding there, and just a short clip actually, just because I don't want to stress myself on my return to YouTube. That is quite an interesting clip, and I think a lot of people can relate. I can definitely relate to the mum, because I can't cook, but I'm very proud of the easy dishes that I make. Without further ado, yalla vida! Even that feels weird to say. I'm not being rude with my headphones or my earphones in and looking at my phone. I'm listening to the audio. So, without further ado, معركة أكل is, by the way, the title of this particular episode, which means food fight or food battle.
مرحبا بكم جميعا في معركة الأكل الشديدة.
مرحبا بكم جميعا دي معركة الأكل الشديدة. So مرحبا بكم جميعا. مرحبا بكم means welcome to you. جميعا means everyone. And actually, if you know the word for university, جامعة, it is a place of gathering. So there are a lot of people who gather there. Here he's referring to the people who are watching from home. جماعة or جميعا in this particular case, which means to all of you. دي معركة الأكل. دي means this is, and it's the feminine. It's referring to feminine nouns. معركة, which is the feminine noun, which means a battle. الأكل, which is food, is شديدة. In this particular case, شديد means extreme.
أعلى برنامج طبخ اتعمل في الدنيا.
I'm going to try to say like him. أعلى برنامج طبخ اتعمل في الدنيا, which probably doesn't sound great. أعلى برنامج, أعلى, the highest, برنامج or برنامج, program, اتعمل, طبخ اتعمل, like made food, homemade food I think it is maybe. في الدنيا. Dunya is the world. في means in. So the best or the most watched, the most popular program, food program in the world.
أنا مذيعكم الطباخ الألماني براد وورست. متسابقين النهارده هما الطباخ المكسيكي هالبينيو، والطباخ الياباني سوشي، والطباخ الفرنساوي كريب سوزيت. أنا فرحان زي ما أكون بنت ألمانية صغيرة. يا حبايبي يلا نبدأ معركة الطبخ.
أنا مذيعكم الطباخ الألماني براد وورست. I don't know how to say that. It's a German surname. أنا مذيعكم. I am your host or your announcer. Actually, مذيع means مذيع. الطباخ الألماني, the German chef. طباخ is the chef. Almani is German. Brad Wurst. I think that's how you say it. Bratwurst. متسابقين النهاردة هما. متسابقين means the contestants. النهاردة of today are. Sorry, I'm speaking so fast actually because I don't have enough memory and I'll try to slow down. هما, they are الطباخ المكسيكي, the Mexican chef, jalapeno, what else could it be called? الطباخ الياباني, sushi, والطباخ الفرنساوي, crepe Suzette. So the chefs' names are the national dishes of their countries. أنا فرحان زي ما أكون بنت ألمانيا صغيرة. So أنا فرحان, I'm happy, زي ما أكون, which means like I am, as if I was, I think is better, as a better translation, as if I was. بنت الألمانيا صغيرة. Bint is a girl, Almania, German, صغيرة, little. So he's saying I feel like a little German girl, basically meaning that he's very excited. I don't really like this comparison that he's made. يا حبايبي, oh my darlings, يلا نبدأ معركة الطبخ. يلا نبدأ, let's hurry and start. معركة, the battle, الطبخ, the cooking battle.
أنا ممكن أشترك في معركة الأكل. أنا طباخة هايلة.
That's Timmy Turner's mum, and she says أنا ممكن أشترك في معركة الأكل. أنا طباخة هايلة. Oh, she sounds like me. She's confident in her cooking abilities, even though she cannot cook. أنا ممكن أشترك. I ممكن maybe أشترك, which basically means partake in, to take part in, في معركة الأكل. in معركة الأكل, the food battle or the competition. أنا طباخة. I am a chef. هايلة, fantastic. طباخة هايلة, a fantastic chef.
يا خبر، مامتي طباخة فاشلة.
يا خبر، مامتي طباخة فاشلة. يا خبر. I haven't heard that in a while, which means oh my days. Or if you watch The Simpsons, you know when Homer Simpson says dope, it's basically that. Mumti, my mum, طباخة فاشلة. طباخة is a chef, of course. فاشلة means a failure. She's a bad chef, a bad cook.
وهنعمل ايه؟ دي تالت مرة المطافي تطفي اكلها الاسبوع ده.
وهنعمل ايه؟ دي ثالث مرة المضاف ضف الأكل أو أكلها الأسبوع ده. وهنعمل إيه؟ What will we do? What can we do? دي ثالث مرة. third مرة, time, this is the third time. المضاف, the fire brigade, ضف, they put out. أكلها, her food, الأسبوع ده, in this week.
تيمي، ما تخليش مسمعك بتقول كده هتجرح مشاعرها.
تيمي، ما تخليش اسمع بتقول كده كده هتجرح مشاعرها. So Timmy, ما تخليش اسمع. Don't leave yourself to listen to, or don't listen to. بتقول كده, that kind of talk. Don't listen to him essentially. كده, like that. هتجرح, you're going to هتجرح مشاعرها. You're going to make her feel bad. You're going to hurt her feelings. هتجرح, you will. At the beginning means that it's a future, in reference to the future. هتجرح مشاعرها. You will hurt her feelings.
في كارثة يا بابا، العشاء مخيف. جبت أكل من برا.
في كارثة يا بابا، العشاء مخيف. جبت أكل من برا. في كارثة. كارثة means a disaster, a catastrophe. يا بابا, or father. بابا means father. العشاء مخيف. Dinner, العشاء مخيف, is ruined. جبت الأكل من برا. جبت أكل من برا. جبت, did you bring أكل, food, من برا. من means from. برا means outside. برا.
الأكل البراني جه.
أكل البراني جه. الأكل, the food, براني, from the outside, جه, has come, has arrived.
انتوا جعانين يا رجالة تيرنر؟
انتوا جعانين يا رجالة تيرنر. انتوا, are you guys جعانين؟ جعان, hungry. يا رجالة تيرنر, or the Turner men.
اعمل نفسك مش مهتم.
اعمل نفسك مش مهتم. اعمل نفسك, pretend to be. اعمل نفسك مش مهتم, which basically in English would translate to nonchalant. So pretend to be nonchalant. Just act like you don't know anything. You don't know what's going on. Just act like you're excited.
بكل فخر أقدم لكم تحفة كاليماري تانية. مفاجأة، طاجن الصبيط بالجمبري.
بكل فخر أقدم لكم تحفة كاليماري تانية. So بكل فخر أقدم لكم, I proudly present to you, which would be the greatest English equivalent, تحفة كاليماري تانية. تحفة, the best calamari تانية, again. So I present to you, or another one. I present to you another great calamari dish. I'm proud to present to you. مفاجأة, طاجن الصبيط بالجمبري. Surprise, shrimp squid casserole. I'm going to put the exact translation on the screen, but it's shrimp squid casserole. Surprise, people call it a surprise because they don't. That's the best thing that you can do when you don't know how to cook. Just say it's a surprise. What's in it? You'll find out.
ده طاجن كارثة.
That طاجن كارثة. That's a cursed or a horrible طاجين casserole.
أنا نسيت السلطة.
أنا نسيت السلطة. I have forgotten السلطة, the salad.
ما تقلقش يا طار يا بامبي, أنا هخرجه قبل ما يبيض في مخك.
ما تقلقش يا تيمي. تيمي essentially. أنا خرجه قبل ما بيبيض في مخك. ما تقلقش, don't worry to me. أنا خرجه, I will take him off you. قبل ما بيبيض, I think this is how you say the word, didn't hear it clearly. في مخك. قبل ما, before it lays eggs في مخك, in your brain.
دلوقتي امضغ بسرعة وابلع ده قبل ما تيجي.
ودلوقتي امضغ بسرعة وابلع قبل ما تيجي. I'm trying to do the voice, I can't do it, oh my gosh. ودلوقتي. And now امضغ, which basically means chew, بسرعة, quickly, وابلع, swallow, قبل ما تيجي. قبل ما, before تيجي, she comes.
حبيبي انت بتعمل ايه بالاكل الصيني ده؟
حبيبي انت بتعمل ايه باكل الصيني ده؟ انت, you, بتعمل ايه, what are you doing باكل الصيني ده? باكل الصيني, with that, Sini is Chinese of course, Chinese food, that is referring to the food. أكل is a masculine noun.
أنا أكل صيني.
And he says أنا أكل صيني. أنا أكل صيني, which Chinese food?
مخبأ سري؟ ايه اللي بيحصل هنا؟
مخبأ سري. ايه اللي بيحصل هنا؟ مخبأ سري, a secret vault. ايه اللي بيحصل هنا? Sorry, there's a song by Hakim. I'm gonna insert a little clip. إيه اللي بيحصل ده؟ إيه اللي أنا شايفه ده؟ I never said I'm a singer. إيه اللي بيحصل? What is happening here? And actually, that song might إيه اللي بيحصل. That's a good way to remember what's happening هنا, here. Is a good way to remember it. What is happening here? And you can, I'm going to link below the full clip so you can find out what actually happens and test yourself to see if any of the words that you have come across in this clip show up in the actual or the rest of the episode. And with that said, sorry, I'm looking at myself because my screen's here. With that being said, salam.